Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Lindsay. I am so excited to be vlogging today. I feel like I have not vlogged in forever. I think the last video I posted was my favorites video, so it just feels like it's been a minute and I love vlogging, so I'm really excited. Today is actually December 24th. It's the day before Christmas. It's Christmas Eve, and we are actually hosting a Christmas Eve at our house tonight. So I have been like running around cleaning, doing laundry. I already did my makeup, just doing a bunch of stuff to try to get ready. But yeah. Okay, I know this lighting is so terrible, but I just wanted to show you guys really quickly. So I made Rice Krispies last night, and I'm gonna link the recipe below for you guys because these ones are so good. I have made this recipe twice now, and they turn out 10 out of 10 every single time. And it's really cool because I found like the holiday colored Rice Krispies. They're just green and red, and then the normal, and it's cute for the holidays. But I've made this recipe like not around the holiday time too, and it's still like a really good recipe for just a quick dessert, like if you have kids or whatever, or you just like Rice Krispies. It's really bomb. So I'll link it below. It's so easy to make too. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, baby. You say hi? Say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Okay, I am going to start straightening my hair. I'm so sorry if you can hear either my son or his show, but I cannot turn that off, otherwise he will freak out. So the straightener I use is not special at all. I think I got it from Target, and it's the Conair brand. But I've had it for years and it just works. And I'm going to put some of this L'Oreal Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray. I always use a heat protectant. So I still don't know if I'm going to like straighten my hair and like actually keep it straight. But with the texture and the wave that's in my hair, if I end up curling it, I still have to straighten it beforehand. So that's why like kind of right after I shower, like the next day when I'm styling my hair, I always start with it straight, and then I will curl it like a few days later. I'm just gonna do kind of like a rough straighten on it. I washed my hair yesterday and I used an Olaplex mask and it felt so nice. My son is teething and it is really bad, you guys. He has his 2 bottom teeth already, and his 2 top front teeth are coming in at the same time, and he's not sleeping well. Like last night he probably woke me up 8 times, and then at 5 o'clock in the morning he was like wide awake, ready to be awake for the morning, and like would not go back to sleep. So I had to get up early, and like I just got no sleep already with that. So it's been rough, but luckily like I didn't work yesterday and I don't work today, tomorrow, the next day. So it makes it a lot easier when I'm just at home versus like I have to go to work and like function. That is really tough. So I don't think I told you guys what we are making tonight. So I feel like our New Year's Eve dinner isn't very like typical, but we are doing chicken and shrimp Alfredo and Caesar salad, bread, cheesecake. So yeah, that's just what we like to have. I feel like most people will have like ham or Like my grandma always used to make soup, but we just, I don't know, that's just what we like to have. So I'm really excited. Morris makes the sauce for the Alfredo sauce, and obviously, and it is so delicious, you guys. It's insane. He does such a good job. And so he will be home, I think around like 4ish, and then he can start helping me a little bit, like cook and stuff. And then I think Roman will go down for his second nap soon, so that I can get some more stuff done, because I want to film my Sephora haul, but I feel too bad to be gone for like 30 minutes and just leave him. Like, I can't do that, so I have to wait for him to fall asleep. Luckily, that's the nice thing about vlogging, is I can vlog when he's around, because it's just like here and there clips, or he can be in the clips or whatever. So it's just much more relaxed, which is nice. But I will say it has been so nice to just have like uninterrupted time with him, where I'm not like trying to rush around and get ready for work, or I come home and I'm tired from work, or on the weekends I'm always like, okay, I have to vlog, I have to edit, I have to get this video up. It's like always like that is how my life is, I feel like. And it's just, yesterday was so nice to not have to worry about any of those things, and I could just like tune into my son and like just not worry about anything besides him. And it was just so nice. Like, I just wish that we had more days like that. And don't get me wrong, like the time that I do have with him, I never ever take it for granted, ever, especially like since I am a mom who works full time. Like, the time that I have with him literally means the world to me, and I never take it for granted. But sometimes I do get a little frustrated when it's like I'm trying to get something done, but he wants attention, but like this thing needs to get done, and it gets frustrating. But that's just honestly part of being a parent, and it's fine. And like, yeah, it's fine. Okay, so I think that's pretty, like, obviously it's still only, it's 2:13, and I wouldn't say I really need to be ready until like 5:30 or 6ish. So like, it's honestly fine, because I can touch it up later, or if I decide I want to curl it, I will just throw some curls in really quick. But you guys should try that, like straightening your hair for a few days and then curling it, because it's like flat and like straight, so it just looks nicer. Because I know I have like really textured wavy hair, which you guys can probably tell it's like hard to get it completely straight. Honestly, it's like impossible. I'm also kind of like impatient. I don't put a lot of time into my hair, and I never have been like that. But yeah, okay, so I think that's pretty good for now. I have to still vacuum, and I'm trying to think what else I need to do. So I'm gonna vacuum the living room and then sweep the hardwood floors, and I need to like pick up, I have random clothes all around. You guys, I don't know if you guys could see that the whole time, but I just have like random clothes and things that need picked up in our rooms. And I think the blankets I washed are probably done by now, and then I should unload the dishwasher, unload it with the dishes we have, so that as we're cooking and stuff, we can just add the dishes in, so they're not just sitting around and people are looking at them, because I know that would bother me if I was at someone's house. So that's kind of what's left to do. And 2:15, so I think, yeah, I think I should have enough time to get everything done, especially since I am basically ready. I'm so proud of myself for that. Oh, and also, I don't know if you guys noticed, you probably did not notice at all, but I'm wearing a new lip combo, and it is, so I don't know if I like it because it's a lot more like pinky than like brownie neutral nude than I'm used to, but it is a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, and I really like the Charlotte Tilbury nude, what is that called? I can't remember. It's the nude one though. And I decided to buy a different one, but it's definitely pinker. So what my lip combo is right now is a mixture of those two Charlotte Tilburys, and I put a little bit of the Too Faced lip plumper over the top. I love that stuff, but it's hard to wear it when I'm around Roman because I like absolutely cannot kiss him because it would probably sting his skin. So that's just one thing to keep in mind about that. But I am going to, I have no idea why I just like started rambling, but I am going to put, this is a little travel size, and I really probably, can you guys see? I'm trying to like cover my face. Anyways, I will probably buy a big size of this. It's the Way hair oil, and it's just a really nice hair oil. Like, it does not make your hair greasy at all. And yeah, it's just nice. It's like, I don't know, you guys can probably tell, like as soon as you put it on, your hair just like soaks it up, and it doesn't like leave a residue. It just like actually goes into your hair, because I hate when hair oils, like you put them on but it's like you can tell it's on there. I don't know. So it's really nice. I always have to use a hair oil because I have naturally really frizzy hair, unfortunately. Anyways, I will catch up with you guys later. I will probably take you guys through like my vacuuming and vacuumed. I wiped down this little situation that we have over here. Let me focus it. And then I vacuumed our rug, and then as you guys saw, I vacuumed our ottoman. And then a little tip I wanted to share with you guys is using this. This is a like pillow and linen spray, and I like spraying it on like my couch cushions and my couch pillows and like my couch blankets, and just kind of give it a freshen up. And I actually got this at TJ Maxx a few years ago, and it was only $6. So check out TJ Maxx. I think they have like a little section for like room sprays and linen sprays, and it's just a nice touch to add if you're having guests over. And then I also will link, I don't know if you guys could see it in the clip, but I will link the little like hand vacuum I had. I got it from Amazon. It was very inexpensive, and it's worked really well. We've had no issues, and it's nice for like ottomans and couches. So if they do still have it in stock and I can find it, I'll link that for you guys as well. Okay, so before people start arriving, I am going to try to wrap as many presents as I can because Christmas is tomorrow and I'm very behind, and Roman's taking a nap and Morris is taking a nap, so it's a good time. But I wanted to show you guys the cutest wrapping paper, and you will not believe where I got it from. I got this wrapping paper from Walmart, and it came in a set. And it came with these 4 rolls, and then it came with some little tags. So this one says "Let It Snow," and then this one is black with white snowflakes, and then it came with silver and black bows. And I'll show you guys a couple. I have a ways to go with wrapping, but these are just a couple that I did, and they actually match my tree so nicely too, because I did white, black, and silver, so it's literally the most perfect wrapping paper. So I was really impressed to find this at Walmart.